Hello, I hope you're enjoying all the information that I share, but I want to give you guys a really cool hack. So this is using the Norwex Ultra Power Plus. Now this is an incredible laundry detergent for all the things, right? Sports clothes, sweaty teenager clothes, even our gentles, right? Our gentle fabrics. It contains no harmful ingredients, so no phosphates, no phthalates, no SLS, SLES, no optical brighteners, no dyes, no fragrances. This is really great. It's really great for everyone in your house, but it's especially great for any younger children, babies, or anyone who just has really sensitive skin and doesn't want all the nasty, right? So in addition to laundry, we can use this on a ton of other things. We can use a half a teaspoon of this in your carpet cleaner to clean your carpets. So instead of buying the carpet cleaning solution from the store, which is not very good, most of them contain a lot of toxic ingredients for our home, for our health, respiratory health, things like that. But this will also save you some money. So just use a half a teaspoon of this in the carpet cleaning solution tank. You know how there's a couple tanks on the carpet cleaner? Fill it up with warm water, let it dissolve for a second, and go to work. And that rinse tank, when you get done and you rinse the carpet out, will be black. It's crazy. When carpets don't even look that dirty, and this pulls so much out, it'll actually make your carpets last longer, your home smell fresher, all of that. So in addition to that, I use a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of the Ultra Power Plus in a spray bottle of water. It's a wonderful all-purpose cleaning spray. When I'm cleaning out on our screened-in porch and other areas, sometimes I will spray things down first and then go to work with them with my Enviro cloth, which I love. So other tips for us gals is that this is great for cleaning jewelry, cleaning makeup brushes, makeup sponges, things like that. So when you use it, I actually have some of the Ultra Power Plus in just this little spice bottle I got from the grocery store, because when you use it for cleaning things like makeup brushes and jewelry, you just want a couple little sprinkles. You give it a minute to dissolve, and then you drop your jewelry or your makeup brushes down in the jar. So we're gonna put our jewelry down in there, and a few minutes ago, I did the same process. I put just a couple granules in here, right? A couple little shakes, and I'm cleaning my makeup brushes. And this is something we need to do regularly because our makeup brushes hold a ton of dead skin cells, bacteria, and things like that. And if we're not regularly cleaning our makeup brushes or our makeup applicators, then that bacteria is, look how good that's looking. That bacteria is going to transfer back on our skin, on our face, which can cause breakouts and things like that. It will transfer back on our face if we don't periodically clean them out. I try to do it once a week, although sometimes I forget and it's more like once every 2 weeks. But look at this. And the results are phenomenal. This one was covered. So after they've soaked for a few minutes, I'm just going to take the brush, right, and turn on the warm water. And then, your guys are a little crooked. Warm water, and you always want to rinse your makeup brushes hanging down, so water doesn't get trapped in this metal piece. So rinse that out really well, and then voila. Wow, this one was really covered with foundation. So look at that. So, and then I take my Enviro cloth and I wipe it off really good. I get the handle, my fingers, and then I just lay it on a dry Enviro cloth to dry out most of the afternoon, and it'd be ready to go tomorrow. So, and maybe even later tonight, because the Enviro cloth holds 7 times its weight in water, and it's super, super absorbent. So I just use this a teeny bit damp when I'm going through this process of cleaning my makeup brushes. So super great. Now let's rinse out these rings. All right, and these needed it too. And again, even our hands, our hands are touching things all day, whether we're driving a car, going to work, going to our grocery store, whatever it might be. The hands get a lot of bacteria on them, and that can get trapped in the crevices of your rings. And regular hand washing is not going to get all of that off. And these were really dull looking before I did this. Sparkly, we love sparkly, right? So super fast, super easy. You can use it for all your jewelry, works amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon.